everyone, and welcome to the Breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to support small creators on YouTube. Now with the new 4K 1K rule and a bunch of small creators being unleaked completely from the YouTube Partner Program, it's more important than ever to figure out new and unique and different ways to support content creators. But before we jump on in this video, if you're a small content creator yourself, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We post tons of content here about how to start a merch shop, how to make money on YouTube outside of ad revenue, so be sure to subscribe, you won't regret it. Nevertheless, how can you support small creators? And if you're a small creator, what are different ways to let your audience support you? Well, first and foremost is the Bear browser using the basic attention token. I'm a cryptocurrency nut. I love the space, and the basic attention token is a part of the Bear browser and allows you to buy this cryptocurrency and then give it to content creators depending on the amount of time you're on their site. So let's say you watch my videos for 10 minutes in a day, and out of that day you watch videos for 100 minutes. For example, if you were going to give away $10 a day to content creators you watch, which is quite a bit, but it's just for this example, I would get $1 in basic attention token. The basic attention token, it's not USD, it is in cryptocurrency, but it works automatically with the Bear browser. You can check it out linked down below. I personally use the Bear browser quite a bit to watch videos and stuff like that. I think it's a good content browser. I blog and stuff like that in Chrome. I watch content in the basic attention browser. That way, if a content creator is a part of this, they're going to get support. Simple as that. Nevertheless, that is linked down below, and it's a great way to start getting into supporting content creators without even knowing about it. Maybe you put $10 a month on there and then they distribute it however you watch content. Now, another way to support small content creators is with merchandise. A lot of creators don't have merch shops. We don't here, but it's not a monetization platform we're interested in. But if you are a small creator, I would suggest starting a t-shirt shop, starting a merchandise shop. We've got videos coming up this week actually on how to do this, how to set up a merchandise shop for very little cost. It'll allow your followers, your subscribers to come in and support you by buying your merchandise. It's really, really easy to set it up. If you just follow our tutorials that are coming up here, it will not be an issue, and it'll allow you to make some money back. I mean, your markups on t-shirts can be $10 a shirt, and even if you want to be like really generous to your audience, making $5 a shirt can go a huge way towards improving your content, making better videos, doing all that stuff. So if you're looking to support a small content creator and they have a merchandise shop, be sure to buy something. If they're your favorite YouTuber, be sure to buy something, because they are going to forever be grateful for that, right? That little bit of $5 or $10 they may earn from you buying the t-shirt is going to go a long way in improving their content and making their experience on YouTube better. Another way to help small content creators is to support them through Patreon if they have one. Patreon is a great platform. They've made some bad calls in the past and stuff like that, but overall, they're the only and the best platform out there for YouTubers to ask their audience to donate to their content every single month or per video. I personally like per month Patreons more than I do per video or per piece of content Patreons, but the choice is up to the creator on that. But if you can support a creator on Patreon, do it. Do it, do it, do it. It is something that I personally support 4 or 5 different creators over there, because I think it's a great way to go directly to the creator and say, hey, I like your content, I want to support you, and I'm going to do that via Patreon. There's no hard cost to the creator involved in Patreon either, meaning like with a t-shirt, there's $10, right, to make the t-shirt, or $15 to make the t-shirt. Whereas with Patreon, they just set up a Patreon and say, hey guys, come do this. I'm going to create some exclusive content. It's only their time. Typically, it's not any capital investment, which is really, really cool. So Patreon is a great way to support small creators, and if they have one, support them on it. Another great way to support small creators is through their affiliate programs. This is one of our biggest income streams here. Linus Tech Tips is another one who makes a ton through Amazon affiliate. Affiliate sales are a great way to support a creator. If they have links in their description, they should be disclosing them as affiliate links. If they're not, then that's a bad thing, but it's a good thing if they do, because then if you want to support the creator, you can go through that affiliate link and make them a little bit of money from it. So if you're a creator and you have affiliate links, don't be afraid to put them in your description. Now, Amazon doesn't allow you to say support us through Amazon, but it can still be a great way to earn a little bit of affiliate income as a creator. So if you're wanting to support creators, be sure to use their affiliate links every chance you get. Now, last but not least, when it comes to supporting creators, watch their content. Share it with everyone. Like every video they post. comment, a good comment, on every single video they post. This will go farther than you think. If you want them to meet that 4K 1K rule, you need to watch their videos. Go back and watch old videos that you might have forgotten about that are still going to be just as funny, still going to be just as entertaining, and it'll help them boost up their watch time some. Share their content with your friends. If you share it with 10 people and each one of them watches one 5-minute video, that's a lot of watch time, 50 minutes of watch time that comes to that channel in a day. That is huge. So be sure to share their content, like their content, support them in any way you can. Even if you can't buy anything, support them in the way of sharing their content, because that goes a lot farther than any sort of monetary income ever can on YouTube. Nevertheless, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome YouTube related videos. Again, this has been The Breakdown. I'm Nick and I'm out, guys. Peace.